Hello, and welcome to this short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a data extraction agent. A data extraction is the action of identifying data elements on a web page that you want to extract. Data elements can be anything, like product names, prices, dates, news headlines, people's names, contact detail. Pretty much any information that you see on a web page might be something you want to extract. In this example, I'm going to extract a single page of news headlines posting months and dates. Just launch Agent Studio and then click that you'd like to create a new agent. As prompted, you're going to enter the URL of the page that you want to get the data from. You'll notice a Smart Load icon while the web page loads. This is where we begin to apply our patented machine learning to the process, so it may take a second or two for the Smart Load icon to go away and you can interact with the page content. Because the data I want to extract is on the page, I select Extract as the action I want to take. As you can see when I scroll through this page, the news headlines are grouped by month, and then each one has a posting date or time. These are the data elements that I want to extract. On the left, you see that there's an Extract tab displaying a schema workspace. When building a schema from scratch, simply double-click on element 1 and name it based on one of the data elements you want to extract from the page. In this case, I'm changing element 1 to date, ensuring it is a dataset element, and clicking OK. Now find a date on the page itself and click once. The schema toolbox appears, and you can select date as the schema label for this item. Everything that the agent believes is a date will be highlighted in red. Because the training just started, my data extraction agent isn't very smart yet. It thinks everything on the page is a date. But as I identify more data elements on the page by clicking on them and assigning a schema label to them, like headline, and making it a dataset element, and then month, and making that an other page element, you see that the agent, the machine learning algorithms, gets smart very quickly. As I scroll through the content of the page now, you notice that everything is correctly identified with the color highlighting as defined in the schema I created. Once you have all the information you want from the page using the schema tool, you're ready to run your data extraction agent. After you click on Run, you're prompted to save your agent. Save it to your local drive, and the test run screen will appear. You can set the number of minutes you want the test run to run. In this case, I'm going to do a test run for a minute and see what my agent collects. Just click on the Save and Run button. This is a very simple agent, so it may very well bring back everything I want in a very short period of time. After a few seconds, you can see exactly what the agent gathered. If you look here, we have the date, the headline, and the month, all in separate columns. And from the look of things, the test run was enough for the agent to gather everything on the page. You can now filter the view by selecting all of the dataset elements, or even just the other page elements. Or you can just get all the elements, however you want to view the data. You can now directly open the data in either an Excel or a CSV file and work with it right away. Or you can save the output to your local device in the format you prefer for sharing or future use. If you'd like to publish this agent and schedule it for repeated data gathering, watch the Publishing and Scheduling for Repeated Data Gathering video.